Hi everybody! So today we're going to be reading a book called Hiccups by Holly Sterling. Hiccups! One morning, Ruby and Oscar were playing their favorite game when all of a sudden hiccup! Oh dear, Oscar said Ruby. How are we going to get rid of those hiccups? I know. Why don't we try dancing like this, said Ruby. Hic! Oscar just danced like Ruby, but the hiccups didn't stop. How about we jumpity jump like this, said Ruby. Oscar jumped just like Ruby did, but the hiccups were still there. Hic! What if we slurpity slurp like this, said Ruby. Hic! Hic! Oscar slurped through a straw, but that didn't work either. And Ruby and Oscar twirled, hic, and hippity hopped, hic, and munchity munched, hic, and tickly tickled, hic, but nothing could make Oscar's hiccups disappear. Ruby stopped to think. Aha, she said. I know exactly what will get rid of the hiccups. Ruby ran to her tour box in search of her... What do you think it's going to be? Magic wand and wizard hat. With a swish and a swoosh, she waved her wand. Frizzy wizzy, sparkly stuff. Hiccups be gone. We've had enough. Hic, said Oscar. Ruby threw her wand on the ground and tried a very loud stompity stomp instead. But Oscar could not stop. Hic, hic, hic. But Ruby had a brilliant idea. She ran away and came back wearing her special furry dress-up cat costume. Meow! She shouted. Oscar was a bit scared. His ears blew back and his tail gave a very small wiggle waggle. But he didn't hiccup. They've gone, said Rudy. Your hiccups have gone. And she gave Oscar a great big hug. Woof, woof, Oscar barked. Feeling very pleased with themselves, Oscar and Rudy went back to playing their favorite game. Until all of a sudden... Hic, said Ruby. How do you think about how Ruby and Oscar could get rid of her hiccups? If Ruby can't scare herself, how's Oscar going to scare her? Thanks, guys. Bye!